Today I'm gonna clean the microphone on that Samsung A12. I got a big cover on this one. I like to keep my phones good and protected, so I keep a nice cover on them. And let's see, this part right here is the microphone right there. You got the speaker right there, the charge port. You got this port right here for the headsets that you could plug up, or if you're gonna plug it to a sound system or whatever. It's for the headphone jack. And of course, this is the microphone, the smallest little hole right there. It's hard to clean that joker. Alright, so I'm gonna get to it. I got one of those thick, heavy duty covers on it, so it's got 3 pieces. They got this outer shell that's real big and thick, and then you got a real thick plastic shell that have to take a penny or something to open it up on the side. So it's got real good protection. That's how I like my covers. And so now I had to take the quarter and open up the side right there with the quarter. I can take that top part off. I slide this off, and there we go. And like I say, the speakers, you got a top microphone here, that little hole on top, and a bottom microphone here, the little hole on bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a toothbrush, and I'm gonna use the toothbrush and clean out the microphone. And what you're trying to do is just get a bristle in there. Because it's such a small hole, get a little bristle in there. Clean it out. And that's basically it, how you clean the microphone on Android, at least. Yeah, I don't have iPhone, but I know for sure with Android, that's how I usually do. And that's exactly where your microphone at. And anytime it get all clogged up and nobody can hear you or whatever, that's what it is. So, yep.